Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the e-learning class of mathematics. In today's class, we will be continuing with the geometry. Today, we are going to learn about the 3D shapes. And to draw these 3D shapes or any plane shape, the most important thing that you need is a ruler or scale and pencil along with a good eraser. So, are you ready? Let's continue with
2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the two lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes. This is a square. Let's move and count the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a triangle. Let's move and count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Let's move and count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a rhombus. Let's move and count the sides of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a circle. Let's move and count the sides of a circle. A circle has 0 sides, but has 1 curved line. Let's move and count the vertices of a circle. A circle has 0 vertices, but has 1 curved line. A circle has 0 sides and vertices. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? We learned today.
Let us explore solid figures. The different types of solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. This is a cube, an ice cube, a cardboard box, a block are all examples of a cube. This is a cuboid. A bus, a tiffin box, a fish tank are all examples of a cuboid. This is a cone. An ice cream cone, a birthday hat, a pencil tip are all examples of a cone. This is a cylinder. A can, a drum, a mug are all examples of a cylinder. This is a sphere. A basketball, an orange, and marbles are examples of a sphere. Square, rectangle, and circle are called plane shapes. Why? Because each one of these can be drawn on a plain paper. In fact, we have another kind of shapes which cannot be drawn on a sheet of paper. For example, box, eraser, dice. These are called solid shapes. Solid shapes have faces, edges, and vertices or the corners. Here is a solid shape. It looks like a dice. This is a cube. It has 6 flat faces. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. And all its edges are equal. This is a cuboid. It looks like a pencil box or a brick. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now take a look at this shape. It is like a can or drum. It is called a cylinder. It has 3 faces, 2 flats and 1 curved. It has 2 curved edges and no vertex at all. It has 2 faces, 1 flat and 1 curved. It also has 1 vertex and 1 edge. It is a cone. Now observe this shape. It looks like a football. It has no vertex and no corners. It has only 1 curved face.
Oh, as we have straight line and curved line, in the same way we have flat face and curved face.
Right. Do you know, Neha, a solid slides through its flat face and it rolls through its curved face.
No, not all. Please explain.
See, take a box and push it along the floor. It slides. Now take a small rod and push it along the floor. It rolls. Shapes like a cylinder can roll as well as slide. Why does this happen?
Because it has both flat and curved surface.
Exactly. Now you understood. And now it's also time to wind up. Bye-bye.
Now that we know, children, the different type of shapes, the shapes that are known as the plane shapes and the three-dimensional shapes or the 3D shapes. So the first 3D shape is cuboid, and the examples that you can see on your book, page number 173, bricks, eraser, box, almirah, suitcase, book, tea packet, refrigerator, and all of them have 8 vertices and 12 edges. এখানে যে পিকচারগুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছ সেগুলো সবই কিউবয়েড শেপ। ব্রিক্স, ইট, ইরেজার, বক্স, আলমারি আছে, সুটকেস আছে, বই আছে, টি প্যাকেট আছে, ফ্রিজ আছে। তো এগুলো সবই এর মধ্যে 8টা ভার্টিসেস মানে যেই পয়েন্টগুলোতে এক একটা লাইন আরেকটা লাইনের সঙ্গে জয়েন করছে। 8টা ভার্টিসেস আছে আর 12 এজেস আছে। ঠিক আছে, মানে লাইনগুলো কটা আছে? টোটাল 12 আছে। যদি প্রত্যেকটা দিক দেখা হয় 12 এজেস, যেগুলো আগে অলরেডি বোঝানো হয়েছে। নাও কামিং টু পেজ নাম্বার 174, you have examples of cube. কিউবের কিছু এক্সাম্পলস দেওয়া আছে দ্যাট ইজ ডাইস, আইস কিউব, সুগার কিউব অ্যান্ড চক বক্স। তো লুডোর যে ছক্কা হয়, বরফ, সুগার কিউব, অনেক সময় চিনিটা কিউবের ফর্মে দেয়া থাকে, সেই সুগার কিউব আর চক বক্স, এইগুলো সবই কিউবের এক্সাম্পল। দিজ আর অল দ্য এক্সাম্পলস অফ কিউব অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ উই নো a cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. মানে কটা মুখ আছে 6টা, আর কটা লাইন আছে টোটাল 12, 12টা, আর কটা জয়েনিং পয়েন্ট আছে vertices 8টা। ওকে, then coming to page number 175, you have spheres: cricket ball, football, marble, wool ball, orange, globe, watermelon. These are the examples of sphere. Sphere এর example কি? উলের গোলা, আর অরেঞ্জ, কমলা লেবু, গ্লোব আর তরমুজ। তো এটাতেও আমরা দেখছি যে এখানে স্ফিয়ারের না কোনো ফেস থাকে, না কোনো ভার্টেক্স থাকে, না কোনো এজ থাকে, শুধু একটা কার্ভ সারফেস থাকে। Come to page number 176, you have cylinder, examples of cylinder, that's drum, jar, pencil, vacuum flux, electric tube, dalda tin, crayon, bottle, candle, garden roller, cell, syringe and gas cylinder. ওকে, তো এইখানে যেগুলো এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া আছে এগুলো সবই সিলিন্ডারের এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া আছে। তার মধ্যে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সিলিন্ডারের কোনো ভার্টেক্স নেই, ভার্টেক্স মানে জয়েনিং পয়েন্ট। এজেস দুটো আছে, ওপরে একটা এজ, নিচে একটা এজ, দুটো এজ আছে। অ্যান্ড 3 ফেসেস, একটা তো সিলিন্ডারটা গোল মতন যে জায়গাটা ওইটা, আর ওপর আর নিচ টোটাল 3টে ফেস আছে। একটা হচ্ছে কার্ভ সারফেস হচ্ছে, আর দুটো ফেস হচ্ছে প্লেন সারফেস। ওপর আর নিচটা প্লেন থাকে আর মাঝখানটা কার্ভ থাকে, বেঁকানো মতন। কাম টু পেজ নাম্বার 171, কোন, আইসক্রিম কোন, কনিক্যাল টেন্ট, ফানেল, কনিক্যাল ক্যাপ, টার্নিপ অ্যান্ড ক্যারেট। এইগুলো সব এক্সাম্পল হচ্ছে কোনের। ওকে, দিজ আর অল এক্সাম্পলস অফ কোন। সো a cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge, 2 faces. One face of the cone is curved surface and the other is plane surface. Edge of a cone is curved. নিচের যে এজটা থাকে সেটা কিন্তু কার্ভ থাকে, হ্যাঁ। আর ফেসে এটার ফেস দুটো থাকে, একটা হচ্ছে নিচের জায়গাটা প্লেন ফেস থাকে আর ওপরটা যেটা গোল মতন থাকে, ঠিক আছে। কামিং টু পেজ নাম্বার 178, এখানে বলেছে ইউ হ্যাভ টু ড্র দ্য ডায়াগ্রাম অফ a cone, a sphere, a cylinder, a cuboid and a cube. Children, I have already given the procedure of drawing these diagrams. Now come to fill in the blanks. A cuboid has dash vertices, dash edges and dash faces. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Number 2, a cone has dash vertex, dash edge and dash faces. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 faces. A cylinder has dash vertex, dash edges and dash faces. A cylinder has no vertex, 2 edges and 3 faces. A sphere has dash vertex, dash edges and dash face. A sphere has no vertex, no edge and 1 face. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. A sphere has a dashed surface. A sphere has a curved surface. A cylinder has 2 plane faces and 1 curved face. And last one, a cone has one dash face and one curved face. A cone has one plain face and one curved face. So now let's move on to learning how to draw the three-dimensional
Today I'm going to be showing you how to
shapes.
draw three-dimensional shapes, and yes, I'm using Sharpie, but I recommend you start in pencil so you can erase if you make a mistake. Now the first one we're going to make is a cube. And to make a cube, there's actually two different ways I'm going to show you. The first one is a solid cube, which means it's three-dimensional and it's not see-through. So you start with a square, and then you're going to draw diagonal up and to the right, diagonal up and to the right, and diagonal up and to the right. They all need to go up the same way and be about the same length. Then I'm going to go from here to here, make sure it's perfectly horizontal, and if I need to match my lines up, that's okay. And this one is going to be perfectly vertical, straight up and down. And there I have my cube. Now the other way is you're going to start out with a square, just like the first one. And then you're going to go up a little and over a little, and you're going to draw another square. So then up and to the right, making sure it's about the same size. And then you're going to connect from this corner to this corner, this one to this one, here to here, and here to here. So this one is a transparent cube, and this one is a solid cube. Next, we're going to draw a cone. A cone starts off with a capital A or the top of a triangle. And to make the bottom of a solid cone, you simply make a big smile line that's curved and meets from one edge to the other. If you wanted to make it so that you can see the opening or a transparent cone, you would start with capital A again. And at the bottom, you would actually draw an oval that connects from one side to the other. Okay, this is like an ice cream cone that's tipped upside down. If I turn it, it looks like an ice cream cone. Next, we're going to draw a pyramid. So a pyramid starts off with a triangle, full triangle. Then, this one's actually pretty simple. You do a diagonal up, just like with the cube, and you connect from the top to that line. Now, if you wanted to add lines to it, like their pyramids of Egypt, you would draw horizontal lines that go straight across. And these ones, see how these are the same as here? The ones over here would go in that same diagonal direction, starting from the corner of each one. Just like that. Next, we're going to draw a cylinder. I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way, start off with an oval. Then you're going to draw two lines straight down from the very edges of the oval. Then you're going to connect, just like we did with the cone, with a big curved smile line. Just like a can. The other way you can do a transparent one would be to do an oval, two lines straight down, and then connect with an oval at the bottom. This would be like a see-through can or a glass. Finally, we're going to do a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism is just like a cube, just starts off as a rectangle. And then we do three diagonal lines from this corner, and this corner. And again, notice they all go up and to the right, all about the same length. To finish it, we simply connect straight up and down here, straight side to side here.
Hope the class was enriching and interesting for you. That's all for today. Stay fit and stay happy. Bye bye.